Here I've got PHILIPS X818 and let me show you how to activate and use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to slide down the upper bar and then locate the Do Not Disturb mode icon. So here it is, simply click on it, and now you have to decide which mode you would like to apply. So you can pick Total Silence, where all sounds and vibrations are blocked, then Alarms Only, so only alarms are allowed here, and then Priority Only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from those you specify. So let me pick, for example, Alarms Only, and then you can select either until you turn this off or for some particular period of time. It can be, for example, for 4 hours. And that's all. As you can see, we can switch it off now, and now we are in DND mode. Here you can see the sign. You can switch off the Do Not Disturb mode the same way, simply by tapping on this switcher. If you'd like to personalize Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the settings, then find and select Sound and Notification, and here click on Do Not Disturb. And now, as you can see here, you can specify your Priority Only allows, so you can activate reminders or deactivate them, events. Let me leave reminders. Then you can allow messages from someone, for example, let me click from Start Contacts Only, and you can do the same thing with calls. So let me allow incoming calls from contacts. Also, you can activate repeat callers function by tapping on this switcher. So from now on, if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period, then it will allow it. And that's basically all. This is how you can use and personalize Do Not Disturb mode in PHILIPS X818. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.